Getting a quality good night's sleep is a key component to our overall health. Our body regenerates more effectively, we feel better, and we're more productive. We spend 1/3 of our lives in bed, but one of the things most often overlooked is where we rest our mind. The overwhelming positive feedback from our last two projects, Alpha Blanket and Alpha Sheets, sparked our passion to continue to better your health and wellness. Introducing Alpha Pillow, the world's first pillow with a germ defense system. Alpha Pillow is a carbon-infused memory foam pillow with air cells, ultra-soft bamboo, pure silver fibers, and ice silk technology. The problem with traditional pillows is that they use porous materials. In as little as 7 days, millions of colony-forming units of bacteria can grow inside this permeable space where mold and other pathogens can thrive. Contact with these pathogens has been linked to acne, allergies, asthma, cold and flu, and other serious infections. Alpha Pillow's bamboo charcoal memory foam not only provides better spinal alignment, delivers more optimal pressure points, and is more durable compared to traditional cotton or down. Bamboo charcoal's activated carbon absorbs toxins, prevents mold growth, and purifies air by absorbing harmful gases. We then added air cells to increase comfort and breathability. The pillow is covered with ultra-soft, pure silver bamboo fabric. Silver has been used by NASA, U.S. Special Forces, and Olympic athletes to create germ-free materials. When silver comes in contact with virus, fungi, bacterium, silver performs their deadly work. They bind to essential cell components like DNA, neutralizing their harmful effects. The pillowcase is made with cooling ice silk technology to help wick away moisture twice as fast as cotton and help reduce body heat to make you feel cooler so that you can fall asleep faster. Alpha Pillow with germ defense system only needs to be cleaned 5 times less frequently than other pillows. Alpha Pillow feels better, smells better, provides healthier sleep posture for a higher quality night sleep.
At Ivana Designs, our mission is to create better textiles through science and research. We have engineered one of the most advanced combinations of fabrics, and we are excited to continue bringing products to optimize your well-being. We are all set for manufacturing, and we hope you will join us to revolutionize the future of sleep.